Welcome to Lifestyle Plus. In this video, I will show you how to unban Claude account or unblock Claude account. Like if they restrict your account or put your account on hold, how can you get it back? Let's see. Let's log into my account. And here it is, account banned. They say your account is on hold. We put your account on hold because of unusual activity. Your chats and data are safe. So as you can see, my account is on hold and banned, and I do not know the reason. It was just restricted one day without any good reason. And they further say, if you think this hold is an error, you can request an account review, request a review. We will review your account. We'll email you the outcome. Request a review. So to get the account back, here is what I'm gonna do. I'll click request a review button and you can do the same. I'll contact the support team and ask them to lift the restriction. They ask share details about how you were using your account to help us understand the full picture. What do you use your account for? Anything else we should know? So I'll write something like this. Hello, Claude support team. I received a notification that my account was restricted due to suspicious activity. I believe this may have been a mistake and I kindly request that you review my account. If there was any unusual activity, I was not aware of it and would appreciate the opportunity to regain access. If you need any additional information to verify my identity or assist with the review, I would be happy to provide it. Thank you for your time and consideration. I look forward to your response. I was using chat and I was using web browser to access Claude. That's it. Send request. So send an email like this. Hopefully we will get our accounts back. And for a precaution, you can export your data from here as well. So they say, we got your request. We'll email you after we review your account. Until then, you won't be able to use Claude, but you can come back to this page to check the status. So you can check this page again to see the status of this application. And after their review, they will email you and hopefully your account will be back. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.